Hello and welcome back. Today's lesson is about something many English learners find very difficult: small talk. Small talk is casual, friendly conversation about everyday topics. The weather, the weekend, work, travel. It's the kind of conversation you have with a neighbor, a colleague, or a stranger at a bus stop. It might seem simple, but for non-native speakers, it can feel very uncomfortable. What do I say? How do I respond? How do I end the conversation? By the end of this lesson, you'll have all the phrases you need. Let's get started. Section 1, starting small talk. How do you start a conversation with someone you don't know well? In English-speaking cultures, the weather is the most classic small talk topic. Especially in the UK, you can say, "Lovely weather today, isn't it? Can you believe this rain? It's been terrible. Beautiful day, isn't it? Bit cold today, isn't it?" Notice the phrase, "isn't it?" at the end. This is called a tag question. It's a very natural way to invite someone to agree with you and start talking. Other great openers for small talk depend on your situation. If you're waiting somewhere, you can say, "Have you been waiting long? Is the queue always this long? These trains are never on time, are they?" If you're at an event or party, "How do you know the host? Have you been to one of these before? Are you enjoying it?" If you're at work with a colleague, "How was your weekend? Did you see the game last night? Are you keeping busy?" Key phrases to remember: "Lovely weather today, isn't it? Have you been waiting long? How was your weekend?" Section 2, keeping the conversation going. You've started the conversation. Now, how do you keep it going? The secret is asking follow-up questions. After someone answers, ask another question to show you're interested. For example, Person A says, "How was your weekend?" Person B says, "Really good, thanks, I went hiking." Person A says, "Oh nice, where did you go?" See how that works? "Where did you go?" keeps the conversation alive. Other great follow-up phrases: "Oh really? That sounds amazing. How long have you been doing that? What's that like? Have you always enjoyed that?" Show enthusiasm when you respond. These phrases work perfectly. "That sounds really interesting." "Oh wow, I didn't know that." "That's so cool. I've always wanted to try that." "No way, that's incredible." And if you want to share something about yourself, use, "Actually, I do something similar. That reminds me, I once." "I know exactly what you mean." Key phrases to remember: "Oh really? That sounds amazing. How long have you been doing that?" "I know exactly what you mean." Section 3, common small talk topics. Let's look at the most common topics for small talk in English. Topic 1, the weather. "It's been such a warm summer, hasn't it? I heard it might snow this weekend. I can't wait for spring to arrive." Topic 2, weekend plans and activities. "Any plans for the weekend? Did you do anything nice over the weekend?" "I'm thinking of going to the cinema. Have you seen anything good lately?" Topic 3, work. "Are you keeping busy at work? It's been a hectic week, hasn't it? Are you working on anything exciting at the moment?" Be careful with work topics. Don't ask too many detailed questions. Keep it light and general. Topic 4, travel. "Have you been anywhere nice recently?" "I just got back from Portugal. Have you ever been? Are you planning any holidays this year?" Topic 5, food and local places. "Have you tried that new restaurant on the high street? I've heard the new cafe downtown is amazing. Do you know anywhere good to eat around here?" Key phrases to remember: "Any plans for the weekend? Have you been anywhere nice recently? Have you tried that new restaurant?" Section 4, responding naturally. Small talk works best when both people feel comfortable. So how do you respond in a natural, friendly way? First, always answer with more than one word. "How was your holiday?" "Good." This ends the conversation. "Really good, thanks, we went to Italy, it was beautiful." This continues it. Use these filler phrases to buy time and sound natural. "Oh, you know. Well, actually, funny you should say that. To be honest, I have to say," to show you're listening and interested. "Oh right, I see. Absolutely, totally, fair enough," to agree enthusiastically. "Exactly. Tell me about it." This means, "I completely agree, I feel the same way." "You're not wrong," a British way of strongly agreeing. "Couldn't agree more." To politely disagree or give a different view. "That's a good point, but I'm not so sure about that actually." "I see what you mean, but I think." Key phrases to remember: "Funny you should say that. Tell me about it." "I see what you mean, but." Section 5, ending a conversation politely. This is something many people struggle with. How do you end a conversation without being rude? In English, we use what are called exit phrases, short sentences that signal the conversation is finishing. You can say, "Anyway, it was lovely talking to you. Well, I'd better get going. I don't want to keep you. I'll let you get back to it. Right, I should head off. These phrases are warm and polite. They don't mean you dislike the person. They just signal that the conversation is naturally coming to an end. After your exit phrase, add a friendly closing. Have a great day. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Nice meeting you. Take care. Good luck with everything. If you want to suggest meeting again, we should do this again sometime. Let's catch up properly soon. I'll see you around, and the other person will usually say, "You too. Lovely talking to you as well. Take care, bye." Key phrases to remember. Anyway, it was lovely talking to you. I'll let you get back to it. Have a great day. Brilliant work today. Let's do a quick review, starting small talk. Lovely weather, isn't it? Or, how was your weekend? Keeping it going. Oh, really? That sounds amazing. And follow-up questions, common topics, whether weekend, work, travel, food, responding naturally. Tell me about it. And, funny you should say that. Ending politely. Anyway, it was lovely talking to you. Have a great day. Small talk is a skill, and like all skills, the more you practice, the better you get. Start small. Try one phrase tomorrow, then another the day after. Before you know it, you'll be chatting away like a native speaker. In our next lesson, we'll cover talking on the phone in English. If this lesson helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you next time. You're doing brilliantly. Keep going.